Site owners oversee SharePoint sites for their team and perform roles such as creating places for site content, controlling access permissions, tailoring site navigation, and adjusting site appearance. Site owners don't need in-depth technical skills, and tasks can be accomplished easily using a web browser. Owners will need to understand the basic capabilities of SharePoint, we suggest by watching our clips for site members. To better understand their role, let's walk through some of the tasks a site owner will perform on a new site. Typically, site owners will receive an email from the administrator with a link to access their site. To help you get up to speed, you may see the Get Started with Your Site web part right on the homepage. These links help new site owners perform common actions. For example, here's one to share the site with others when it's ready to go. This web part can be removed, of course, and you can always find a link to these same Getting Started actions on the Site Settings menu. As a site owner, you can see what's in your site via the Site Contents link on this same menu, or on the side Quick Launch area. Initially, there are just the out-of-the-box list and library apps with an indicator next to each app showing the number of items. Not much here yet. As a site owner, you can add new apps to customize your site. For instance, you might add additional libraries to hold documents or pictures, or you could add lists to store links, contacts, or calendar items. In this example, the site needs a place to keep track of tasks, and there's an app for that too. Here's the new project task list. To help people find their way around, site owners can also customize the items on the Quick Launch menu. Notice here you can edit the links. Just drag and drop the items where you want, and save the changes. Depending on how it was created, the site may initially be private, meaning that only the site owner and the administrator have access to it. But site owners can share the site with colleagues or team members so they can access it as well. This is done up top in the header menu. Just add the team members and an invitation message, and click Share. Team members will receive an invitation to access the site in their email. Every site comes with a standard theme applied, and this is usually one of the first things owners want to replace. No problem. On the Settings menu, choose Change the Look. There are a number of theme templates available. And there are options for customizing the theme. For instance, you can play with different colors, or even add a background image. To see how it might look, you can try it out. If you like it, you can keep it. After the template is applied, you're taken to the Site Settings page, which provides links to many other options. Of note here is one where you can adjust the title, description, and site logo. If it wasn't customized initially, you can give the site a more specific name and even add a logo. That looks better. In other clips, we'll explore many of the other tools and features available to SharePoint site owners.